Oh my god, my hair looks mess. Shit. Hey guys, welcome back. Thank you so much for watching my channel. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Kajal Tidlod. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hey guys, welcome back. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. Hey 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 guys, welcome back to my channel. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Kajal. So, if you're someone new here, oh god, I'm so sorry. So, if you're someone new here and don't know who I am, hi guys, Hi, I'm Kajal Tirlotkar. I make vlog because I love documenting everything that I come across. So let me begin with how it all started. Previously, like whenever I used to watch YouTube or watch mostly Sen or other huge creators creating so good content and just showing themselves in front of the camera and just presenting themselves for whatever the content they are doing or whatsoever reason they are doing on YouTube. I just felt यार मुझे ये करना ही है. Like anyhow I want to start. I don't know what will be my content, what I will be just creating videos of, but I want to be in front of the camera and showcase everything that I am capable of or I can do. Quarantine just happened, like lockdown just happened, coronavirus, covid, all that shit happened this year, and I just thought instead of wasting time and instead of waiting for a perfect time, I'll create that perfect timing and I will make my first video. At least I will give it a try. If it works, I will continue. If it not, I will just end it up there and I will wait for the perfect, all of those things. Starting into YouTube, I always wanted to have all the equipments. Like I was that mad. I always have wanted to have a camera, like a proper camera or a GoPro or anything that was needed in making any sort of videos for my YouTube. So that never really happened. My parents always told me, start with whatever you have, go with whatever you have right now. So I just thought whatever, and I always believe whatever they say is always for my good sake, and I just believed them and I started just creating videos on this mobile phone, that this small screen, and I started uploading. I thought was is to give a introduction video where I'll just roam around, move around, and I'll show me this or do all these things, and I'll show that this is Kajal Tirlotkar and I'm here to just set this floor on fire, like everything. I just want to come here and create my content and create a personality, create a an image in this YouTube platform or anything like that. So that just happened, and the very first video that I shot with was Apeksha, and I'm extremely thank you, and I don't know that if that makes sense, extremely thank you and all that, but yes, Apeksha, thank you so much तुझ्या सगळ्या मदतीसाठी. Like you have been the first person with whom I have shot my first YouTube video, and that was also मतलब पुरा इकडनं असं घे, तिकडनं असं घे, नाही मी अशी दिसते, माझा हा अँगल असा घे. That was complete madness that we were doing on her terrace, and we still remember. I was just wearing simple clothes, regular clothes, nothing else, not even wearing any makeup or hair. Bal, if you have noticed me in that video, my first video, if you want to go and see that video, I'll be linking all the 15 or 16 videos in the description box below, so that you can go and check it out if you have missed any of them. So I still remember my whole condition was like कि ना यार, अब I just woke up and I just said her कि चल एक video बनूया, मला introduction चा video shoot करायचा. And oh my god, I was in a pathetic condition. Then too I thought कि ना यार, मला एक try द्यायचं. And then we start shooting, start filming, and she being a photographer, she obviously had that thoughts or had that ideas, to take the cinematography, graphic shots or anything like that. So it just happened, and I'm so thankful for her because of her, like because she said ki yes चल करूया म्हणून. I was able to shoot my first introduction video, and I will be super thankful for you, Apeksha, if you're watching this. Obviously you are watching my video. If you're watching this, I'm extremely thankful. Again, I'm saying this, extremely thankful. I don't know that if it even makes sense or not, but yes, thank you so much. You have always been the best, and yes, you will be the best. And thank you so much for being a part of this journey, and you're just supporting me in every way possible. So yes, big hugs. So the next thing that happened was I just thought to start making videos. So I already decided to make vlogs. I just thought I will make vlogs. पण सगळ्यात पहिला प्रश्न हा पडायचा मला की यार व्लॉग्स बनाएंगे ठीक है, मतलब व्लॉग्स होगा वो सब ठीक है, चलेगा, चल विल मेक व्लॉग्स. Not even comedy content, but we'll make vlogs. Like I'll document everything, wherever I'm going, whatever I'm eating, whatever whatever things are happening in my life, I'll just shoot that and document everything. पण एक थॉट असं होतं ना की यार आय एम नॉट इवन अ सेलिब्रिटी, वॉट आय शूट. माझे तर असे काय प्लॅन्स नसतात, मी कुठे बाहेर जात नाही, किंवा माझे असे कुठे मीटिंग्स नसतात, किंवा माझे असे फ्रेंड्स एकदम कुठे बाहेरच्या देशात वगैरे राहत नाही, किंवा नॉट इवन आउट ऑफ दिस सिटी टू जस्ट आय कॅन, सो दॅट आय कॅन ट्रॅव्हल, आय कॅन कॅप्चर ऑल दोज मोमेंट्स ट्रॅव्हलिंग, और आय कॅन हॅव फॅन्सी फूड्स. आई हैव नेवर बीन दैट पर्सन, टू बी वेरी ऑनेस्ट, कि जो बाहर जाती है, हु हैज़ हैबिट ऑफ गोइंग टू क्लबिंग्स और एनीथिंग लाइक दैट. बट इवन मतलब वो सब चीज़ों के अलावा भी आई जस्ट गेव इट अ ट्राई. जस्ट सेड whatever it is, wherever I'm going, whatever I'm doing, even it is a simple thing for other people, it's a huge thing for me, because I want to document everything that I want. So there are few people who always said me that I have good communication skills. Maybe I have not been that perfect in my previous videos, but now that I look back and see the progress that I have been doing, like the first video that I have shot was like this. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Kajal. So today we'll be doing, and today the energy is like next level. But yes, I have been improved so much, learned about YouTube so much. So the first and the very important people of my life, I'm very much grateful for them. I'm just blessed. It's just insane. I just cannot say it in words. I'm my parents. I'm forever grateful. मम्मी, ऑब्वियसली तू माझा व्हिडिओ बघतेस. आय एम सो थँकफुल. थँक्यू सो मच की तू माझ्यावर विश्वास ठेवलास, अँड यू जस्ट सेड की येस, गो फॉर इट, वॉट एव्हर इट इज. वी आर हिअर. आम्ही आहोत. काही टेन्शन घ्यायचं नाही, जे आहे ते करायचं. आणि पप्पा, थँक्यू सो मच. एवढं सगळं होऊन सुद्धा, इफ यू कॅन बिलीव्ह मी दॅट आय एम डुईंग समथिंग दॅट आय वॉन्ट, अँड यू ऑलवेज प्रेज वॉट एवर आय एम डुईंग. तो छोटा सा चीज़ होता है ना कि यार माय कि हमारे बच्चे मतलब बच्चे पढ़ लिख के, सीख के वगैरह एक डिसेंट सी नौकरी करे. दे जस्ट डोंट बिलीव इन द कॉन्सेप्ट ऑफ YouTube or singing or dancing, anything, all of that. So yes, thank you so much, Papa, to me. You are still believing in me, or to both of them actually, Mummy, Papa. Thank you so much, and you always have motivated me in every way possible. आणि मला आजपर्यंत कुठच्या गोष्टीची कमी पडून दिली नाही आहेत. अँड आय एम एक्स्ट्रीमली सॉरी फॉर ऑल दी नॉन महाराष्ट्रन्स आउट देअर हू डोंट नो वॉट आय एम सेईंग, बट भावना पोचतील यार, म्हणजे हे असं खूप म्युच्युअल फिलिंग आहे. So yes, I'm extremely thankful to both of you, and I assure you that I'll make you super proud one day for sure. So yes, so this is a thank you video, a thank you, thank you message for you, Sampriti Tai. Sampriti has been the most amazing person of my life I have ever met. ती एक अशी आहे ना, शी विल ऑलवेज टेल मी की यार हे असं आहे ना, असं कर, डू दिस, ये तेरा गलत जा रहा है, यू शुड डू दिस. लाइक पूरे हक से शील टेल यू दीज आर द ऑनेस्ट पीपल यू रियली नीड इन योर लाइफ, एंड यू शुड बी वेरी मच लकी लाइक आई एम to have such people in your life. So yes, and you have been always guiding me in a proper way, giving me ideas that I have never thought of, and I just always feel कि यार ये ऐसे आइडिया मुझे मुझे क्यों नहीं आती. And she is a person who will always, you know, guide not only me but any person out there who wants help or anything. She will guide you in a proper way, in a positive way, and she will not be selfish or anything like that while giving any help, or she will never ask for anything in return. So yeah, who will scold you for your bad things but always motivate you, always appreciate you for whatever things you're doing great in your life. So yes, Sampriti, I am so thankful that you are helping me in every way possible. So yes. Okay, so that being said, the third person that I'm lucky to have, or you know, just I just love that person. So this is Megha. Thank you so much. I know you'll be smiling right now and saying, "यार माझं नाव का घेतलं असं तसं." You have always been that person who came up with all bright smiles, spreaded all positivity around everyone, whosoever who is around you or anything. I'm not sure if it is making sense right now. So yes, thank you so much for being always that person who used to, you know, just ping me up or text me up and say, listen, I'm proud of you. But I'm so thankful, and I really appreciate the fact that you are in my life. Even Megha is my senior, and we have met only for, we have been knowing each other for less than 6 months or maybe 6 months. So yes, and it's just, I just want to say you thank you so much for all the motivation, all the positivity that you give around people. And yes, thank you for always motivating me and telling me that you're always proud of me. Thank you so much. So the next person is just a book. It's just a bunch of intelligent, I don't know, a person who is full of intelligence, and oh my god, इनके शब्द को क्या ही कहूँ मैं. He has been the amazing person and who has always taught me Marathi, because काही मराठी शब्द मला येत नाहीत. बेसिक मराठी येते, पण एकदम ती हाय लेवलवरी मराठी असते ना, ती तर मला जमली नाही आयुष्यात कधी. सो ही हॅज ऑलवेज गायडेड मी इन दॅट, अँड ही हॅज ऑलवेज टॉट मी ऑल दोज यु नो डिफिकल्ट वर्ड्स. ह्याला काय बोलतात, त्याला काय बोलतात, ह्याचा अर्थ असा असतो. अँड ही ऑलवेज वॉन्टेड टू, यु नो, जस्ट की बेसिक नॉलेज असावं एखाद्या माणसाला मराठीबद्दल किंवा अशा आपल्या संस्कृतीबद्दल किंवा वॉट एव्हर. सो राळेगणकर साहेब, थँक्यू सो मच. सागर, आय जस्ट वॉन्ट टू से यू दिस की thank you so much for guiding me in every way possible. आणि म्हणजे मी कुठेही पोस्ट केलं, कुठेही अपलोड केलं, काही केलं, यू आर ऑलवेज देअर टू, यू नो, जस्ट अप्रिशिएट मी की हे नाईस. ही इज दॅट चेअरिंग पर्सन ऑलवेज. सो येस, द नेक्स्ट पर्सन दॅट आय वॉन्ट टू स्पीक ऑन इज द स्वीटेस्ट, द क्रेझिएस्ट. I don't know what words I can use right in front of this, but camera, but off camera, she is everything to me. She is legit everything. You can call her, not you, I can call her anything. She is just dumb. She is beautiful. She is crazy. She motivates. She is like a sister. She is a Gyan Guru as well. She guides you in a proper way. She is soul sister or anything like that. She is best friend for ever and ever and ever. And मतलब 7 जन्मों तक. I'm so sorry, but I'm just feeling, this is all cringy things I'm talking about. I'm so sorry, but yes. आतापर्यंत समजलं असेल ना मी कोणाबद्दल बोलते आहे. इफ यू आर लिटल बिट मतलब थिंकिंग की मी कोणाबद्दल बोलते आहे. सो दिस क्रेझी ब्युटिफुल डॅम अमेझिंग, आय डोंट नो what else, this person is मिताली, Miss मिताली घवाळे, my best friend forever. The bond that we share today, the bond that we have created since our 10th standard until now, I'm just so thankful की माझ्या आयुष्यात देवाने ॲटलिस्ट कुठच्या तरी क्रेझी ह्युमन बिंगला टाकलं आहे, हू इज नॉट सो पडाकू, हू इज नॉट सो टिपिकल, हू इज नॉट सो, यू नो, जस्ट अरे नाही असं नाही केलं पाहिजे, अरे नाही असं नको करू, who has always motivated and guided me to do all the craziest stuff. Sorry, I'm extremely sorry for that noise. So has always motivated and said me and forced me to do all those rubbish things in my life and to waste time with her and just create amazing and priceless memory. So yes, thank you so much for being a massive part of this YouTube journey. It has been 7 months that I have been into YouTube. I have been creating videos, and wherever I go or just make videos about anything, she is my cinematographer. She will just take 3-4 shots जो मुझे भी नहीं आते, मतलब इतना आइडिया तो मुझे भी नहीं कि ये एंगल से लेना चाहिए, वो एंगल से लेना चाहिए, नो 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 वेट आई विल टेक यू फ्रॉम दिस एंगल, नो नो आई टेक यू फ्रॉम दैट एंगल. एंड आई एम जस्ट मेरी बेस्ट फ्रेंड इतनी इंटेलिजेंट कैसे है भाई, मतलब योर बेस्ट फ्रेंड इज सपोज टू बी डम, शी इज सो स्मार्ट. चल अभी डोंट लाफ नाउ. Okay, so I just want to say you thank you so much for always being there, always to guide me and support me and care and what not, and also to protect me from all the shitty people and तुला समझ ला असेल यार. I have more to talk about, but इतनी बातें नहीं कर सकती आपके बारे में, so please excuse. And I'll talk about my other 2 best friends who have also been a part of this journey, who is Sagar and Amir. Amir तो भाई, he has been the बड़े लोग मतलब my entire life. He is that, मतलब जो होता है ना एक फेम बोलते हैं कि यार बड़े लोग, he is that. So and Sagar is the bomb of entertainment, energy, मस्ती, शिव्या, हे and a lot of caring, support, and a best and lovely human being and a crazy friend, of course. So thank you so much, Sagar, Amir. I'm so thankful for you guys. I just want to tell you guys ki when I started my started creating vlogs or YouTube, these people never said ki yaar why you're making vlogs, why you're making content, who will watch your videos, and these people have always supported me, even if they don't say or talk about anything that I'm doing right now, but I know they're super proud of me, है ना. So yes, thank you so much for always this for whatever the support you have given me, for all those memories, for all those crazy stuff that we have done, and I really look forward to do all other crazy stuff too with you guys till we die. So yes, bottom of the line, I'm very much thankful for all my best friends, Mitali, Sagar, Amir, Saili, and she has also guided me in a proper way. She has always been that emotional support in my life whenever I felt something is not going according to plan. Not according to plan in my personal life, not in this YouTube thing. So she has always been there and supported me, and I'm super thankful to you also, and for being such a sweet and amazing person, and keep spreading that positivity and all those cute smiles and that spreading that innocence with me forever. So yes, and the time has come when I really need to go down and thank you guys, because you have been the backbone of this channel, because I don't know what could I have done without the audience. So all those people who are still watching till here, I don't know how long this is going to take, but I'm super thankful for you guys, and keep supporting all of the love that you have showed, just showered in these 7 months. Please double it and just show the power of our Paltan. And if you're someone new here and have no idea what Paltan is my family, that is you guys who are watching, all my viewers, I call them as Paltan. So yes, so if you're new here and you're still not a part of my Paltan, so you can just go down and subscribe to my channel and press that bell icon so that you will be a part of my Paltans. yes, let's just make this Peloton a huge, big family, and just do all the crazy stuff and all amazing things, all of the stuff together. Join me in this journey. And I have no clue how 2021 is going to be, but 2020 has been a life lesson for me, a life changing also, and some there have been highs and lows, but I really focused on the highs which led me here. So yes, now I'm talking to you guys. I'm being able to speak and spread out my words to you guys and spread every possible thing that I want to give out there. So yes, thank you so much, and I really need to smile while talking, but I am just so yes, thank you so much. If you are watching till here, please go and like this video. And if you're someone who is looking to just start their YouTube channel or anything small, even if on Instagram or anything that you are comfortable on, please go for it. There is nothing like perfect timing. It's you who will create the perfect timing for you. So yes, please grab on your mobile phone's camera, whatever you have right now with you, and just go for it, and just do, and just put all the platforms on fire, and just believe yourself that you are the one who is going to do everything for you. There is no other person who is going to there are people who will push you forward, and there are also people who will take pull your legs down, but always focus on climbing up. And I have so much to say, but I have to end this video right now, and I just want to say I have to go a long way, and I believe I will complete all those goals super soon with all your help. On that note, I'm thanking each and all of you for just sticking around and subscribing to my channel, or liking to my channel, or just leaving a comment down showing your love through that means. So thank you so much, and let's rock the 2021, even if it has some obstacles in it, like 2020 had. Okay, so let's just not focus on that and see what good things are on our way, and just accept whatever it is and however it is. So yes, on that note, I'll see you guys in my next video, probably my next vlog. अगर ये वीडियो यहाँ तक देख ही लिए हो तो please go down and like to this video, subscribe down, and comment down. Okay, so I'll see you guys in my next video or vlog, and until then, bye, take care.